You love to sketch on small papers, right? Of course you do. I mean, who doesn't like to grab a tiny paper and do a quick doodle? I used to sketch on post-its a lot and try to keep them in my wallet or somewhere, but it never works. I lost them all, I guess. So around 4 months ago I decided to buy a sketchbook, and it all started with this Mercedes sketch. Now let's quickly change the camera for celebrating 25,000 subscribers of this channel. I always appreciate your support, my friends. Oh, now I can see the mess on my desk. Do you also create this chaos while working? This is better. It took 4 or 5 months to finish this one. I started a little careful, trying to make nice sketches, because what if someone sees the sketchbook and there's an ugly sketch, so I didn't want to be embarrassed. But after a couple of pages, I just let it go and take notes, do random ugly doodles, brainstorming and so on. I think this is more correct way to use a sketchbook. It is not for making beautiful album, it is for pouring your ideas into paper and saving them visually, physically. And why do I use the dotted sketchbook? You can use these dots for measuring distance, using it for symmetrical drawing, taking more clean notes and so on. You can also use them as guide to your card proportions after practicing them in my online course. Honestly, for me the biggest reason to use dotted pocket sketchbook is I just like the texture it adds to my sketch. So it just looks better in my opinion, and it's a good change from blank sheet of paper sometimes. Now it is time for the last page of the sketchbook, and of course it will be a portion.
Back in my bag and I gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of heels. Yeah, and she be riding on that thing like a Ferris wheel. Yeah, I love them dark skin, brown skin.
So as I finish this sketchbook, here is the new one. Also, I bought a bigger version too. Even if I really enjoy the pocket size, sometimes it feels too small. You can see the size comparison here. I guess it is time to say goodbye to this old one. By the way, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.